Hello guys, it's Mizi from Wireless Solution, and today we are going to show you unbox the new LG Q7 that came to Metro PCS in few days before. So this is the box of Q7, and if we turn it around, just a quick review. So it's 4G Lite enabled. Android software is the newest one, that is 8.1. 16 megapixel is the back camera, that is really good. 8 megapixel is the front camera, that is very nice. It seems like it's similar to the Samsung S9. The memory of the phone is 64 gigabyte. The usable memory is 49.9. that will be available to you. The rest is being used by the phone, its own software. What I like in this phone is the RAM is very good. It's 4 GB, so it's really fast. It will help you in playing games, or it will be quick as compared to the other phones. The phone is LG Q7 Plus. Charging the USB cable, it's the new one, and these are the phones. So I have already one phone being opened. I start the phone. So before opening it, let me show you what's in the box of the phone. So it comes with the SIM card. It has the new charger that is really fast, a 3.1 ampere, the fast charger. Plus, if you see the USB cable, of the phone, so it's the newer USB cable. You can see that is the newer model that will help fast, the newer version, the second generation. It's not the normal Android, it's the second generation. You guys can see it's the round one. So that's pretty much what's in the box. The price of the phone is normally $330, but with Metro PCS you guys can get it for $300 for normal customer. Those customer who wants to port into Metro PCS, they can get this phone for $200, just only $100. So what's the good thing about this phone? The good things about this phone, what I like the most is, so what I really like about this phone is it's waterproof, water resistance. You can leave it for 30 minutes in the depth of 1.5 meter water. It's completely water resistant, touch and dust resistance. That's what I like about this phone. Plus, if you can see the camera, so you can see there is one clear and sharp picture. It will give you the other option, that is fit to screen option. So it's up to you which one do you want to use. Let's use the first one, and once you click on the screen, it's autofocus, so it will focus itself. Right now you can see how clear the pictures are. Okay, you can go to the setting. You can change the setting from that one to the fit to screen, because it's not full, you can see. So the Q lens is the lens that is being used in this phone, so that is really nice, sharp and very smooth. You can see the clarification of the camera, and if you click on the screen, that will be autofocus, so you can see it's very smooth and very clear. I'm sorry if this camera is not clear. Okay, so that's one thing. The other thing, it has face recognition unlock. The face recognition unlock will help to enhance your security. It will plus it has fingerprint scanner, so you can scan your fingerprints here. Plus the one thing, some people like it, some people don't like it, the battery is non-removable of the phone. So it's like the Samsung S9. We can compare it to that one because the memory is really good, the processor of the phone is really good, plus it's really smooth. The color brightness, the screen is very good. So what you can do, you can go outside, it will work really fine in the sunlight, the sharp sunlight, and from here you can adjust the brightness of the screen. Plus what else I like in this phone the most is two cameras. One is 16 gigabyte, the other is the front facing camera is 8 megapixel. Plus you can put the memory card up to 2 terabyte in this phone. The display of course is 5.5, so the full display is 5.5 of the phone. The battery is 2890 mega per hours. And the other thing I like in this phone is the sound system. Let me play something on the phone. Yeah, because someone tell me that the memory on the phone is really nice. So yeah, it is, but let's see the sound quality of the phone. Let me play my I cannot play any other music because then it will turn to the copyright section, and then I won't be able to upload the video.
So it's your friend's birthday. How do you find the perfect gift? Download the Amazon app and let it find you.
Hello guys, it's me Z from Wireless Solution, and today we are going to work on the so it's really nice. Plus the Wi-Fi is a little bit slow, that's why it's hanging up. The other thing is the fingerprints, face recognition, dust proof, waterproof, 30 minutes of you can put it in water for 30 minutes up to 1.5 meter of the depth in the water. And so that is pretty much it. But I really like the phone because it's not too bulky, it's not too big, it's not too bulky. Plus as compared to Stylo 4, the screen is a little bit smaller, that is like fit to hand. But what I like it the most is its memory is awesome, its camera is awesome. And guess what, if you want to port into Metro PCS, so the phone for you will be just $99. That is pretty much a big deal. And thank you so much. The next video I'm going to be uploading will be on the comparison of Stylo 4 with this phone. So that will be pretty much it. Thank you so much. Have a nice one. Enjoy your time.